Our book of the month for March is Cathedral Windows, New Views, and we were delighted to be able to interview the author Vendulka Bate and have her explain her approach to this traditional technique and see the projects that she included when making this large quilt. Valerie Nesbitt shares 2 workshops this month. The first features this woven rail patchwork quilt, which can be created with scraps and/or a jelly roll. And her second is this traditional single Irish chain patchwork using strip piecing, which makes it both fast and accurate. In our Technique Thursday slot, Paula Doyle explains how to use your sewing machine to tie your quilt, and she also completes her brilliant free motion quilting series this month. Jenny Raymond returns to the studio with her Star of David patchwork block, which uses the partial seam technique, creating a very interesting 3D look. Sally Ann Harrison is showing us how to stitch and use vinyl in your projects. Jane Chire, who loves to crochet, is back telling us how to make these super chunky crochet hats, complete with pom-poms. And for our English paper piecing enthusiasts, Nancy Adamek is here with part 1 of her Tudor Rose Table Runner workshop series. New videos are released on Justhands-on.tv every Friday. Become a paid subscriber to enjoy unlimited access to all our online classes by Britain's finest tutors to help you with your projects from as little as £5 a month.